Good job, Will first. Let's try. Good job, Wolf. Get open, Hayden. Get out there. Get open. Move around.
I'm over here. Kind of hanging out.
That's it. That's it. Go, Red. Woo! Good job, Hayden. Sweet. Woo! There's Mom and the baby. The Wolfman's kicking butt. First game of fall season, man. He's come a long ways. He's number one. He is number one. Forget about the rest. He's being the best today. Go, Wolf, go. Get in there, Hayden. Get open, buddy. Oh, nice try, nice try. Nice try.
Get on the outside up there.
Keep trying, Hayden. Get him, buddy. Don't give up. Get in there.
I didn't want this. I didn't want to go. You think it's funny? I didn't want to get it.
It's all right, Hayden. Get in there. Get open. Get that ball.
That was a safe choice, actually.
Oh. Get ready, Hayden. He's going to throw it right to you. Kick it to Hayden. He's going to kick it right to you, Hayden. Here it comes. Oh. Take it over there, Hayden. Kick it to the open player, Hayden.
Next time there's a ball to receiver, I just
Look at Wolf.